Reprocessed medical devices are often misunderstood, and in healthcare, myths can spread faster than facts. Today, we're breaking down 5 of the most common misconceptions about medical device reprocessing and showing what the evidence actually says. Reprocessing sits at the intersection of a few things every healthcare facility cares about: patient safety, regulatory compliance, cost control, and sustainability. Because of that, it's an easy target for misinformation. We're going to tackle 5 myths head-on, covering safety, device performance, FDA regulation, cost savings, and environmental impact. The first myth is that reprocessed devices are less safe than new ones. Here's the reality. FDA-regulated reprocessors have to meet the same applicable FDA requirements as the original manufacturer before a device can be marketed and used again. That means eligible devices have to prove they can withstand cleaning and sterilization and still meet performance requirements before they ever go back into use. Myth 2, that reprocessing compromises how a device performs. But a device isn't cleared for reuse just because it looks clean. The FDA expects reprocessors to demonstrate the device can be adequately cleaned, that its physical characteristics haven't been affected, and that it still meets regulatory requirements, all verified through validation and functional testing. A lot of people assume reprocessed devices fall outside FDA oversight. Not true. Third-party and hospital reprocessors are held to the same regulatory requirements as original equipment manufacturers, including pre-market submissions when applicable, plus safety, labeling, reporting, and quality system requirements. Myth 4 is that the cost savings people talk about aren't real. They are. Reprocessed devices are commonly priced 30 to 50% less than new equivalents, and a 2026 systematic review found consistent evidence of meaningful annual hospital savings across facilities with active reprocessing programs. Last myth, that reprocessing doesn't really move the needle environmentally. Reprocessing extends the life of eligible devices instead of manufacturing and disposing of a new one every time. As one example, Cardinal Health's Sustainable Technologies Division collected 21.6 million single-use devices in fiscal year 2025 alone, diverting 6.6 million pounds of waste from landfills. So what does this add up to? Hospitals and surgical centers using reprocessed devices saved an estimated $495 million plus in 2025. Reprocessed devices run 30 to 50% cheaper than new ones on average, and 6.6 million pounds of medical waste got diverted from landfills in a single fiscal year.